SEMA day to you guys, but you know we gotta start it off with a good breakfast, so we got the same thing as we got yesterday because it was just that dang. So yeah, we're gonna eat this breakfast up right now. We're gonna head out. It's already like 10 o'clock. We're a little late, but yesterday was such a hectic day. We're exhausted. We got back to the hotel really late, so we're gonna finish this up and we're gonna head out to SEMA.
3 hours later.
Cold start. Damn. So we rented this car yesterday, guys, because obviously my car's in SEMA, so we need a way to get around, but the car smells like chocolate, huh? Usually cars smell like crayons, but this one smells like chocolate. Oh yeah, it does smell. You've had crayon smell before, right? Yeah, guys, so we got a Hyundai 458, and then we're gonna head over to SEMA right now. It's like 2 o'clock. Damn, it's 2 o'clock. No way. It's 1. Oh, it's 1. Yeah, I was gonna say we're extremely late. So we're finally in, guys. We're just gonna go check on the car before we go explore. I follow this build on Instagram. This is one of the cleanest F80 M3s. This is so sick. Check out this bag Tesla. This thing is crazy. Honestly, I don't like Teslas, but if I get a Tesla, this is what I'm gonna do to it. We got my buddy Devin's Widebody F30 right here with the Street Fighter kit. It looks so good. Some more LD97 Forge wheels. Just clean as hell. We're gonna be upgrading that diffuser from this car soon. We're gonna be putting mine on there soon, so excited for that. Looks super sick, bro. So I've been looking for this car for like 30 minutes right now. I wanted to see Stradman's Supra wide body. Another wide body Supra with the Pandem kit. I think this is version 1.5.
It's for sale.
It's for sale where?
Yeah, another side of us.
My girl said it's for sale. Maybe I should buy it. Where? Damn, this looks fucking crazy. What do you guys think? So far I've seen a billion Supras. I'm gonna try to put them all on the vlog today. Oh, it is for sale. You guys like this car? Hit them up. These wheels are so nice. It's crazy. We've spotted another Supra. It's full stock body, but it's still pretty nice. This is all you?
First one that I found.
She has a Mazda, so she's super hyped on it. Damn, babe, this could be you. Mazda gang. Stand next to it. That's good. This is fucking sick. I need to get them two on the dyno. This is so dope. Where? Oh yeah. Look at this. This color is gorgeous too. It's like a mustard brown yellow. It looks so clean. The whole interior is gutted. This thing is wild. Damn. Super clean. Yeah, it's nice. We spotted another Supra. Superfest 2019 has been going well, guys. Just want to update you guys. That's not wide body. Got some BBS wheels. It's at the engine booth, so obviously it has their intake. Carbon fiber mirror caps. MFR rear diffuser, I'm assuming. Oh yeah. Looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Do you like it? I bet this is worth so much money, just this little stand right here. We found an E36 M3 right here. Looks so clean. Damn, it's nice as hell. Alright, we spotted another Supra. Let's go see. Let's go see it. Every booth has a Supra. I think I'm just gonna buy one. Yeah, everyone, a lot of people have that. Damn, looks dope though. This one's nice. Oh, look at.
Oh shit!
I used to work there, guys, a while back. That's cool, right? It's nice. It is. It's clean. We're just walking around right now, checking out the booths. Sebon's booth is right here. I have the hood on my car. I'm gonna see if they have another Supra in there. What is it? Oh, it's kind of cool. What if it was a real? What if it was a little pet?
It's soft.
It is? What is it? Oh.
I thought I was gonna drop it. I thought it was supposed to be hard.
Alright, no Supra yet. Oh, I see it. We found a Supra. I think this is like the 5th one maybe we found. Wow, this looks crazy.
Is that another one?
It's another one. This is dope.
Oh, look at the hood is red.
Oh yeah, look at the hood has red carbon. Damn, Sebon stepped it up. Even though it's not wide body, it's really nice. Look at the back. Dude, look at this, all this.
What the heck? Look at that.
Damn, they stepped it up. This is so clean. Just right across the booth from Sebon is the CSF booth. Look at this thing, it's wild. Look at this exhaust. It's crazy. Sheepy Race, shout out Sheepy Race. This thing's wild as hell. Looks so dope. I like the color of the wheels. Just because I have an M2, this has to be the craziest car here. This could definitely happen to my M2 comp, but I'm not down. Look at this thing, is wild, guys. The Apex racing wheels, full diffuser, huge wing. Look at this front lip, these canards are massive. Wow. Looks so crazy. Wow. What do you guys think? I think it's a Jeep. This thing looks crazy. This is like some Call of Duty shit right here. What the hell? Kind of reminds me of Star Wars. Look at this. Holy crap, look at this engine. It's crazy. We have another M2C in the house. My buddy, Van M2C, his M2 comp looks so sick. He upgraded his seats, he did the roll cage, gloss black the roof. It's so nice. Look at this wheel fitment, it's crazy. This looks wild, bro. Yeah, this looks clean. Look at this trunk setup. Now it makes me want to do a trunk setup. This looks wild. This is probably the craziest Supra that I've seen so far. Holy shit. Look at these headlights. This thing looks absolutely menacing. Oh my god. Damn, this thing's crazy. Probably the craziest wide body Supra here, hands down. Sorry, TJ. Whoa, look at this BMW. Look at this thing, like, it reminds me of the Lamborghini at Wolf of Wall Street. This thing is definitely a full race car. Look at this wing. Whoa, this thing's wild. Oh, it's M1. Looks nice. Found another Supra with some HRE wheels. Jesus, there's like, so far I've seen like more than 10 Supras. We got the new one with the old one. Looks so nice. I really like these wheels though, I'm not gonna lie. HRE, what's up? Let's do something. These look so sick. I like these wheels. What would you guys do? Would you guys get the new one or the old one? Or would you get her? Sorry, she's mine. Looks sick though, I like it. Look at this fitment. These rotiform wheels are crazy. It's the same wrap I have on my car, guys. Enos Tech. This is the same wrap I have. Remember I was gonna do this color. This is the same one, yeah. This is the color I was gonna originally do. Before I did the purple, guys, I was actually gonna do this color. It's like a khaki green. It looks really nice.
I like
these. Dude, it's even on a crazier. This is crazy. Kind of gives me like the Cars vibe with all the decals in the red, but still looks really good. has these nice BBS wheels. I kind of feel like it's like in the movie The Cars movie, because it has all these colors. Yeah. But it looks really nice still. I think it's the same kit that TJ Hunt has on his Ferrari. But I think all his carbon on the TJ Hunts is all in gloss carbon. This is matte. It's the same one, huh? So if you've never been to Sema, it's like insanely packed. This is just the outside. You guys can only imagine how packed it is on the inside. This is a Jeep. It's pretty nice. I actually want to get a Jeep. I want to get a Jeep for my girl. I can see you driving one of these.
I don't like them.
You don't like it? What about this one? But like with the doors. With the doors, yeah, that would be sick. I mean, yeah.
Oh, you like this?
This is cool. I like this too. I don't mind. But I would definitely get this. That right there. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna get an R8 next. Like, I wish I could afford a Huracan, but I'm not too sure. I don't know, I'm not gonna say I can't yet, but I have other priorities. Yeah, so we're talking to her stepdad about it, and I was thinking about getting an R8 or a Porsche. She's like, you should definitely get a Porsche. But I don't know, man. This thing is insane. I don't know about this wing though. This one first, right? A GT3 or an R8? What do you guys think? What should I do next?
R8.
I love the M2, but you know, I'm just thinking long term because I like getting new cars, guys. Look at this carbon roof. This is sick. This thing's wild. Look at the inside. What? Oh my gosh, look, it has handles. This color goes so well, huh? The orange?
I don't
have handles. I have the little door thing. What was Val saying?
That they're weak.
So my uncle's like, let's build a truck for Sema because they weren't that crazy, but
what the
I don't think he's seen this one yet. This thing is...
Look at these tires.
What? Stand there? Oh, freaking... Dude, look at my girl's 6'2" and she's... No, I'm just kidding. She's not 6'2". But it's pretty tall though, dude. Holy shit. Even for me. What is this? Look at how would you get in? This is nice though.
That thing's to my head.
This is wild. Look at this thing. People talk shit on Hondas, but this one's no joke. I'm pretty sure this thing will gap a lot of cars. Definitely a full race car, huh, babe? Would you say?
What?
This is a full race car?
Yeah.
I don't even think the window's glass. It's probably like a plastic. Look at this wing is crazy too. Kind of looks like Daniel from Premium's color, but it's more of a gloss finish. Look at this thing. This is like some Alex Choi shit right here. I don't know who's first, this guy or Alex Choi, but this one's wild as hell. These wheels, what the fuck? It's crazy.
3 hours later.